Simple cooking, simple cooking channel.
Get a large mixing bowl, put in 4 cups of desiccated coconut. Add a tablespoon or so of lemon rind, so just grate the skin of a lemon, and then put in a can, which will be about 395 grams of sweetened condensed milk. Now mix this together. You can use a wooden spoon if you want, but it's probably going to be easier to really get into it with your hands, so just start with the spoon and use your hands if you need to. And if you do need to use your hands, make sure they are very clean. Now get 100 grams of glazed cherries and just cut them up into pieces and mix them in. With this, you're probably going to want to really get into it with your hands. Alright, so that's looking good, sort of a light pink colour, that's what you want. Give it that Christmassy sort of feel. And now we're going to roll them into balls and put them on a baking tray. Now get a baking tray, line it with baking paper, or if you've got something like this is like a rubbery, plasticky silicone type thing that you can use, which I find awesome. And just get these and just roll them into balls. And just place them a little bit apart. Now while you're doing this, turn the oven on to 160 degrees Celsius if it's fan forced, if not 180. So that'll be about 320 degrees or about 350. Now just pop these in the oven for about 12 to 15 minutes. Keep an eye on them. They just start to go very slightly brown, then they're done. Right, they're done. See, just slightly browned, still pink. And just leave them on there for about 10 or 15 minutes just to cool.
Simple cooking, simple cooking.